So this is a Paw Patrol thing, but you got a knife to get your truck, but it's a plane. The truck and a plane. They shoot stuff. Yeah. Comes with Marshall. Now we're gonna open it up.
And there's your cousin's Minecraft socks on the floor that she left here.
Rotten flesh.
Rotten flesh. I don't think it's quite that bad, see.
No, rotten flesh makes you die.
Yeah, we're not gonna be having that. There's our cat's bed and her toys that she never sleeps in because she always sleeps with us.
That is not about the video.
Oh, sorry.
She likes boxes.
She likes boxes. She likes to pretend she still has claws. Charlie girl is a rescue cat, but she was declawed when she came to us.
What, she's a rescue cat?
Mm-hmm.
So what does that mean?
That means somebody else owned her at one point in time and they didn't take good care of her, or they couldn't keep her for some reason.
Or maybe she was a pile and the kid was going all crazy.
Yeah.
It was a good pile.
So then we got her from the Humane Society. Well, first we found her at the pet store, but it was the Humane Society display, wasn't it? And CJ woke her up, didn't you, dude?
Yep. Basically, you wanted her and made her come to life.
I totally wanted her, and you did make her come to life. And then you stood in front of her cage, didn't you?
Yeah.
Didn't let anyone else look at her, so till we could get her. And now she's made herself nicely at home. Charlie, what are you doing, girl? What's CJ working on? He's not telling us anything. So are those the launcher things, Siege?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Sure is tricky, isn't it?
What is not?
It's not. I'm the only person in our house that doesn't have a name that starts with a C, right?
Yeah.
Charlie, Caesar, CJ, and then Mommy. It's taking a lot of work to get those out. But lucky for me, they're one of my favorite colors, aren't they?
Orange? Didn't know one of these had called the orange.
You didn't?
Huh?
Did you just meet me?
No.
Orange and purple, dude. Okay, now we got all those. Now we're moving on to the truck part, or what? Gotta tell us what's going on, Siege.
So like, we're working on Marshall.
Working on Marshall. I think there's probably an easier way to get Marshall out. Yeah, like something along that line, like that. Marshall! What's it look like on the bottom? Is there something they could... Sometimes they don't need to be cut.
Look at this on the bottom.
Oh, I meant on the bottom of Marshall, sorry.
Oh, wow, Marshall.
Okay. Yeah, you can probably just cut that part. No, I let CJ use grown-up scissors. Taking chances every day with that. But
Not every day.
Not every day. But you're usually my right-hand man, aren't you? This morning he helped me move some furniture. Right, Sage?
Mm-hmm.
Helped me carry a table. And then clear the pathway.
But I'm not for free. Nobody can buy me.
You're not for free?
No. Nobody can buy me.
Heck no, you're mine, brother. Or as Ellis says, CJ bro. So the other, is that Marshall? Okay. Marshall.
Get a close up.
Marshall the
You
dog.
want a close up, kid? Yeah. You want a close up?
Oh, you want me to hold it?
Yeah, you want a close up.
Oh,
No, you don't like dogs. That's a dog.
I'm not a dog person, but this dog's cute. Marshall. I don't have anything against dogs actually at all. I just never owned one. Maybe someday when we're home a little more. Marshall. And we'll name our dog Marshall.
Stop it.
Sorry.
Being
What?
kind of annoying.
I'm being annoying? You two, did you hear that? That's so rude.
No, I don't know. You don't like kisses.
CJ doesn't like kisses, you two. He
Somebody
thinks they're
else
gross.
ran from the kisses.
Somebody else did?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh my god. Look at
Gonna get us some close-ups here. There's the Siege. Working hard on the hickey mabob here. Well, we've been working on this project for almost 8 minutes now. I think we're getting closer. Can't really tell. Are we getting closer, Siege?
what does it look like?
I don't know. You better tell me.
Yes.
Okay. Whew. What a production.
Now we're done.
Except for one little tag-a-wag. Okay. Now you're going to get those. Oh, okay, good. All right, show us what you're working with. Now that is cool. Does that orange thing at the bottom then kind of become like the handle for you to hold while you fly in it?
Yeah, you have pick up stuff. So what is this whole gun stuff? What is this holding?
What did you say?
What is it hold this guns?
Where does it load it?
Oh.
Look at the picture of the directions. Oh, right there, you think? Oh, maybe there.
And now the discs. 2 discs. A disc. 2 discs. There is 2 a disc.
2 are discs. All right. Anything else you want to show us, CJ?
No.
Are you done for the day for this one?
Yes.
All right. Anything you want to tell YouTube?
No. Bye.
Say thanks for watching.
Make sure to subscribe and leave a like.
What?
What? They're supposed to subscribe and leave a like.
Subscribe?
Yeah, subscribe and leave a like.
Oh, subscribe and leave a like. Peace out, YouTube.
Peace.